Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device, iOS or Android, because the steps differ. Open Settings and jump straight to Keyboard or Language and Input. Once there, locate Installed Keyboards or Input Methods. This is where Emoji keyboards live. Make sure you have any required passcode or admin privileges before changing keyboards. If you use a third-party keyboard app, open its settings from the same menu so you can disable emoji features in one place. Now you remove the emoji input. On iOS tap keyboards, swipe left on Emoji and delete. That disables the system emoji picker. On Android, open Gboard or your OEM keyboard settings and turn off emoji suggestion or remove emoji from languages and input. For third-party apps, either disable the emoji toggle inside the app or uninstall the keyboard entirely. Once done, test by opening a text field and cycling keyboards. The emoji pane should no longer appear. Finish by restarting your device to clear cached keyboard behavior. That often resolves lingering emoji pop-ups. If emoji still appears in a specific app, check that app's input or sticker settings because some apps embed emoji pickers. If problems persist, reset keyboard settings or reinstall the keyboard app to restore defaults. This removes customizations but eliminates stubborn emoji features. If nothing helps, verify you removed every keyboard entry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.